Want to make a killer first impression on your first date? You don't need an overly complicated or fancy outfit. All you need is confidence and the perfect Y2K-inspired look. But how do you create that unforgettable first impression? Let's dive in and explore 5 amazing Y2K outfit ideas for your first date.
In the shadow, she lost her way, trying to fit, to fade, to sway.
First up, we have a classic combo that never goes out of style: low-rise jeans and a crop top. This iconic Y2K look highlights your figure while keeping it fun and youthful. Pair it with chunky sneakers and mini sunglasses for an extra touch of personality. This is the perfect choice for a confident and casual first date.
Go of fear. Now she stands with open heart, in every scar a work of art. The mirror holds a friend so true in every glance.
Next, we have a mini skirt paired with a fitted sweater. Inspired by Y2K fashion icons like Britney Spears, this outfit is flirty, feminine, and super comfortable. Add a small handbag and a pair of heels to elevate the look and make it perfect for a first date.
Page by page, in her own skin, she's finally free. The love she saw was hers to be.
Not every first date needs a dressy outfit. Here's a casual yet stylish option: a hoodie and wide leg pants. This Y2K combo is perfect for laid-back dates while showing off your effortless cool. Pair it with chunky sneakers and tiny sunglasses, and you're ready to impress without even trying too hard.
No voices left to pull her down. In her own love, she wears the crown. Now she stands with open heart.
Fourth on the list is a cropped shirt with a short skirt. This combination is chic and perfect for making a statement on your first date. Go for a bright or striped cropped shirt for a pop of color, paired with a pleated skirt for a youthful and playful vibe. Finally, we have a bomber jacket paired with leggings. This Y2K-inspired look is not only comfortable, but also super trendy. The bomber jacket adds a touch of boldness, while the leggings keep things sleek and relaxed. Throw on a pair of sneakers, and you've got a look that's both sporty and stylish.
Now the mirror shows.
There you have it. 5 amazing Y2K-inspired outfits for your first date. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tips. Stay tuned for more exciting fashion tips.